driving on Route 66 and we just found a Valentine gas station, which I think are pretty rare, right? Yeah. And here's the owner, Ruben.
My name's Ruben, and these fine gentlemen here stopped here in Valentine, population 32. And so I hear you have a YouTube channel, so I appreciate you stopping and making this video. I'm just starting, so any advice you want to give to me, you know, I'll definitely listen. You caught me here actually recording, practicing for my videos. But I appreciate you stopping by.
Yeah, so we'll put a link in the video and we'll walk around and explore. And this is a great place on Route 66 you got to stop at. And there's Ruben's dog, Coco. Ruben has a couple donkeys we're going to go see, right? Everybody's welcome to see the donkeys. Let's go see them.
Welcome to Valentine Station. So I guess we'll just tell you a little bit about some of the crafts that we kind of make here. So what I do is I make some handmade signs, Route 66 curios, made in a gas station, made by me. So here I'll just tell you about a wood burn sign. Valentine, population 32. So if you come here, it'll be 32 plus you. This is a wood burn sign where I take the wood, cut it up, make this little backing for it, staple it, put a wood brand, made in the USA by Valentine Station, Route 66. And I have these currently for sale on Etsy, or if you ever happen to come here, you could get one.
Very nice.
Appreciate you guys stopping by.
Yeah. A lot of stuff in here if anybody comes here. Good souvenirs and memories.